meter, 1.5 meter stay in that. With 1.5 meter now, there, and a half meter wide.
अरे पूरे एक जगह कवर उससे listen me. What is going to happen for another 25 years or 50 years that you decide today. You all are going to decide what is going to happen now. I don't know what is to be done. We have come for inspection because of this flooding. All these low-lying areas, basically houses are getting flooded. See, there are different agencies who have been working here. One is JSITC, I don't know, one is WRT, and all the other, I don't know, Smart City also is part of the agencies. So there is basically no coordination among these agents. So now whatever the mess they have created, we have got to undo the mess. That's the reason I say, I have basically inherited a white elephant. So they have given it to me to basically scrub it and turn it into grey. So now every week we will be having a meeting now. Okay, more of this brainstorming this thing. So the problem now we can do nothing about this problem. What the people are facing. Now people have got to bear this monsoon at least with the problem. I am sorry that the people have got to bear with this problem. But I assure them all that we will have the full infrastructure in place by next month. They will never have such. They will not have to see such days what they have been seeing now. So now this monsoon we have got to bear this, and people also have got to bear with this issue. But I assure that next monsoon the people of Mala will not have this problem. Same problem we had in Miramar as well. I had gone there earlier. We need to basically have this storm drain. That is very important, and that also the big drain, not the small drains basically which get choked up. We are on the job.
Priceless.
Of course.
This is 18 June Road. This is not cash from the market or river. This is cash in 18 June Road.